In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group by in Monday.com. This is a really useful feature for organizing your data in a structured way, making it easier to navigate and analyze. Whether you're managing a project, tracking assignments, or handling any multifaceted board, knowing how to group your information effectively can save you time and hassle. First, let's start by heading over to Monday.com and logging into your account. If you aren't already logged in, you'll need to click on the Login button. Once you do that, you might see a few options for signing in. For our purposes today, let's go ahead and click on the option that says Google. You'll be asked to select your Google account, so just pick the one associated with your Monday.com access. Once you're logged in and ready, navigate to your board. This is where all your tasks, projects, or whatever you're grouping will be displayed. It's important to have your board open to ensure that you can access the grouping features we're talking about today. Now, on the board, you'll want to look towards the top of the screen over to the right-hand side. Here, you'll see a button labeled Group By. Clicking this will show you all the options for how you can group the information on your board. Think of this as a way to segment your data into categories based on common fields. Next, you'll be prompted to select a column name. This step is vital because the column you choose becomes the basis for your grouping. You'll have the ability to search through your columns, which comes in handy if you're dealing with a long list. Simply begin typing the name of the column, and Monday.com will filter the options for you. Ensure you select a column that makes the most sense for the task at hand. This decision will influence how your data is visualized and interpreted. Finally, you'll want to choose a sorting option. This lets you further refine how items within each group are ordered, providing a clearer view of your data. This extra bit of organization can be very helpful, especially when dealing with complex boards with lots of data points. Whether you prefer ascending or descending order, make sure it aligns with how you need to view and use your information. And there you have it. You've just grouped your board in Monday.com according to your specific needs. This small yet powerful tool can greatly enhance how you and your team manage and interpret information. By grouping related items together, you can focus on what's most important and ensure you're always on top of your projects. Keep practicing, and soon, this will become a seamless part of your Monday.com workflow. Thank you for tuning in, and happy organizing.